This is the Sprout organized room. Yeah, nothing more, I guess. Yeah, feeling cute in this room, I guess. I don't really know what to say. So let's watch the peak gameplay of me playing Sprout. Tell me if I'm a good Sprout player. Oh, I need to heal. Wait, is Cosmo on one? Is he on one? I don't know. No, he's not on one. No. Now watch the speed gameplay. Bye bye. Where spring fever? Nice, I'm so fast. I'm Sonic. Yeah, I'm Sonic. Is Shelly doing their job? Good. Just like me, collecting tapes and items. Shelly's doing their job, Structure doing their job, and me, Sprout, doing my job. Louis. That must have been embarrassing. I would have leave as fast as I can too. Oh. What's wrong with y'all? Why would you do that? Should I distract? I don't know, I could, I don't know. Okay, let's just distract that stupid egg. I'm not made for distracting. I mean, I'd love to distract that spring fever, but please, no else, okay? Like, why did he die? He cornered himself. Why would he do that? Not a random Shelly or something, I don't know who that was. Just stop. Oh my god, the distractor died. I'm gonna die too. Bye bye. Like, excuse me. That's weird. Oh no, I get around. Good thing Sprout has high stamina. Yes, I'm running for my life. I'm here. Don't worry. The king is here. Okay. Bird change? Oh, you gotta hear Cosmo. No, I'm ready. My ability is ready. It's ready. Ready, Cosmo. Sounds so Cosmo. Here we go, my baby. Always my floor. Louis and Oh. Should I join Loki? Okay. Well, the one that has my back.